Hey guys, today I'll show you how to stop video pauses on your Android device. So let's get started. So firstly, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly, because a slow or unstable connection can cause playback issues. And then make sure the video isn't too heavy, because playing videos in high resolution like 8K may cause lag. So try to lower the quality of the video. For example, this video maximum quality is 2K and try to lower it to 720. And then check for an app update. So open the Play Store and here find the YouTube and then update the app. So when you have completed those 3 steps, your Android should stop video pauses. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.